Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana, and today we're going to show off the Toyota OEM NSV air compressor for a 6th gen 4Runner. Let's get started. Okay, so what we have here is a onboard air compressor for a 6th generation 4Runner. This is a port installed option on a Trailhunter or on a TRD Pro model. It's not available currently as of the timing of the video on a TRD Off-Road, but we did install it today on a TRD Off-Road and the installation went smooth, and we'll kind of explain how that works. If you do have one on order through your dealer, if you want to order one through us, the model code is 2A. If you're a Toyota dealer, you can add it on 26 model year for Pro or Trailhunter. So what we did here, when we heard about the accessory, we went ahead and found the part number and we ordered it because we wanted to try it out and see if it would work on a non-pro, because most of the cars that we sell, most of the trucks we sell are not pros. And so it's a very cool accessory, and we're excited to show you that it does work perfectly fine on an off-road premium. And I'm sure it'll work fine on any other trim level as well. So let's go through the box. We have a couple different modules here. First one is the actual display unit, and you can kind of see where everything is going to connect to it. The computer module and the screen. It's going to give you a function for a 12-volt power, because we're going to be running power to it, which is already pre-wired, thank goodness. We also have 2 USB-Cs right there. And then we also have the actual quick connection fitting. So that is what we have here. It does have a little LCD display. It's not color, just a black and white display with 6 buttons. It's got power, menu, so you can adjust the brightness of the screen and such, language settings, a preset. So if you wanted to have 35 or 40 PSI as your preset, you could do that. You could put an air down preset and make it 20. Press the button and it'll automatically go to whatever you have that set at. It'll deflate or inflate. And then of course to set the PSI, it'll go in half PSI increments, so you can go up or down one half step at a time, and then of course the start-stop button. So it'll automatically stop too once it gets to the appropriate spot. So additionally, we're going to have a trim ring, and the reason that we have the trim ring is because we are going to be cutting right here, and this plastic piece right here, we're going to be cutting all that out. We already did it obviously on this one. Once we put that piece in there and snap it in, then we're going to cap on the trim ring, and it's going to make it nice OEM finish. Then we have the compressor itself. This is, again, it's made by NSV. That's the manufacturer of it, but it's a genuine Toyota part. It's super heavy. The cool thing about this too is Toyota has a spot already behind the dash, or behind the actual panel, that accommodates this. And we'll show a picture over the screen that shows the spot so you know exactly where it goes. But this doesn't take up any extra room at all inside the vehicle. So you're not sacrificing any real estate that is already fairly limited. And then of course we have our air compressor kit, which we're going to show that off in a minute once we do a demo on how it works. So this is a brand new one in a box. Again, these are available for sale on parts.edmartintoyota.com if you're interested. I do want to mention one additional nuance that you'll have to know when you do this. Because it's available for a TRD Pro or a Trailhunter only, the car being an OEM product, it wants the parking brake to be on as a safety precaution. There is a workaround, and we'll explain how that works, but there's not a way of doing it through settings. So you're going to have to do a physical alteration to this. So on the actual control module, you'll notice right here there's a brown wire. That is looking for the parking brake actuator ground. And on a TRD Off-Road Premium that we've just installed this on, it does not know when the parking brake is on, because when we enabled the parking brake, it still will not function. It'll give power to it. It'll look like it's functioning, but when you hit press start, it just never figures it out, because it's going to air out and it's going to say, you must have the parking brake enabled. So what we did to make it work is we just found an earth ground, and we'll put that on the screen as well. You could probably use any ground, but we want to use the earth bolt because it's only 6 inches from the actual module itself. So what we're going to do is we're just going to snip that brown wire right there, exactly where my fingernail is. And then we're going to put an eyelet on the earth ground bolt, which is right next to the unit. And then we're just going to wire those two together, and then it'll think that the brake is turned on. So super easy to do. It's not evasive. Anyone can do it, and that's all there is to that. Okay, so let's do a quick demonstration on how this works. It's going to come with the compressor kit. It's a nice canvas bag. Toyota's embroidered on a compressor kit. It's going to have 2 compartments. We'll go through the main compartment first. Owner's manual, self-explanatory. And then it's going to come with your hose. The hose is going to be obviously just kind of quick connect. It's going to fit directly to the quick connection fitting. We'll go ahead and plug it in real quick. And on the other end, it's going to have a valve stem attachment. So it's already kind of pre-wired for tires. This kit also will come with, it'll come with a tire repair kit. But more importantly, it'll actually come with some adapters, so for like an air mattress or any kind of like inflatable, or like a ball, like a needle for a sports ball or something like that. So it comes with a lot of different, you know, utility functions that you may need. And then another cool thing about this bag as well is it's MOLLE panel compliant, so you can attach it to a MOLLE panel. It's got the snaps, so you can attach it, weave it in and out of a MOLLE panel. It's got a nice handle if you need to carry it around, and it's also got a nice hook on it too, carabiner. So if you wanted to attach it to something, you could do anything you wanted to do with it. So let's go ahead and turn it on, and we'll air up a tire and we'll air down a tire. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we're good to go. Okay, so we're at 42. It's done. And then I'm going to go ahead and adjust it back down to 35 where I had it set at initially. And that's a wrap on the onboard air compressor for a 6th generation 4Runner. Again, it's optional equipment on a TRD Pro or Trailhunter, dealer install option on a TRD Off-Road or any other trim level. If you guys are interested in doing this yourself, we sell the parts at parts.edmartintoyota.com. If you have any questions, ask in the comment section. And if you like the mod, please hit thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future 4Runner content.